How to create a demo account on 4T Trader. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are learning how you can easily get started and create a demo account on 4T Trader. So let's get started. First of all, open the 4T Trader app on your smartphone and make sure you are inside this welcome screen. From here, go ahead and click on Create Demo Account at the very bottom and enter your information on the next page. You can enter your first name, last name, your email, and other information on the page. Make sure to provide a valid email address and phone number and click on Submit. Now, verify your email on the next page. Go check your email inbox and you'll receive a 5-digit security code sent inside it. Open up your email and type in the code that has been given to you and click Verify. Now your email has been verified and you'll be inside your home page for your demo account. After creating a demo account, you can practice, explore, and build confidence without risking a single dollar. That is how you easily sign up with demo account in 4T Trader. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.